Okay, then welcome again. Today we have to start question number 6 and 7th of exercise 10.2. This is the question number 6 here as you can see. The length of tangent from a point A, distance 5 centimeter is given and circle of the center is 4 centimeter. And we have to find the radius of the circle. So obviously right angle triangle will form here, and as you can see, this is the figure. Okay, so the figure is the most important part of any question, because if figure will not form, then your answer will not start even. Okay, so figure is the most important part. So again let me repeat, length of a tangent from a point A, distance 5 centimeter. Okay, so the point A, okay, 5 centimeter. This is the length of tangent from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Means the length of tangent is 4 centimeter from the circle, but from the center to the point of contact, sorry, to the point A means another point, that length is 5 centimeter given. See, little bit twisted words are there, so easily you cannot recognize what they want to say. But this figure, if you will once, if you will remember that this kind of question, this kind of figure is comes. Okay, so I don't think there should be problem in exam. Okay, so this figure you should memorize. I can say memorize also. Yes, you should memorize. So here OA is 5 and AB is 4. And easily you can now find the radius of the circle. Yes, 3. I'm not going to solve these things because as you all know how these 3 will come. But why I have started this question? Because these words are little bit twisted. Okay, typical, complex. So that I just want to show you the figure, so that I have taken this. Now easily you can find, because this is a right angle triangle. Here, oh here, Dhruraj, hello. Am I enough audible for all? My voice is okay. Vraj, this triangle OBA, why it is right angle? How we can say it is right angle? OB parallel to AB. Why? OB is parallel to AB. Here, uh, Hardik Jogodia. Hardik, here why OB parallel to AB? Krish, Krish, Sakshi. Hello, Sakshi. Here why OB parallel? Why here OB parallel to AB? Why this triangle is right angle? In question anywhere it is not written. This is right angle. That is correct. But Pythagoras, if you will apply, then answer you can get. But without right angle, you cannot apply Pythagoras. In question, anywhere it is not written that this triangle is right angle, then without any information, how you can use Pythagoras? It is also possible that this is not right angle. Now anybody can reply. Yes. Tangent is tangent is always to radius, otherwise radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. This statement you have to write. Without writing this statement directly, you cannot use Pythagoras. See, this is the some discussion which I just want to discuss. So that this question I have taken. Okay, you have to first write radius is perpendicular to the tangent so that this angle B is 90 degree, and now easily you can use Pythagoras. Okay, it is like that. Now see, seventh question is that seventh is IMP question. Take out IMP because I have to check because but this was asked in exam. Okay, in some year I have to check in which year, but I remember this question was asked. Okay, seventh question. Two concentric circles are given with the radius. See, radi is the plural form of radius. You have to remember because in sometime in question in English also it comes singular plural. Okay, in competitive exam also it more than two or three times this question was asked in Gujarat government's competitive exam. RAD with spelling you have to remember. Okay, RAD double I. Okay, then here two concentric circles are given. Dhruraj, Indrajit, Dhruraj, what is concentric circles? Concentric circles mean Indrajit, concentric circles. Here, Gangani, Gangani Jai, Ashish, Kuvadia, Ashish. Everybody turn on your camera. Except girls, all students will turn on their camera. Yes, tell me, Dhruraj. First, you turn on your camera. Hardik Jhogadia, Bharat, here, Dhruraj, turn on your camera. Ashish, what is concentric circles? Yes, happy to see you all students after so long time in this web meeting. Bharat, how are you? Ashish. Ashish, do you know what is concentric circle? Bharat, Ashish. Okay, turn off your camera and mic and all because now I have to complete. See here, this is the concentric circles means center is one but circles are two, like this. Okay, this is the common center of both circle, so it's called concentric circles. Now you people have to remember these things because now you are in 10th grade and this is the question of ninth grade, so it is so easy. Now two concentric circles are given with a different kind of radius. One radius is small, another is big. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touch the smaller circle. So again, I will repeat that figure is the main part. If figure will not form, then answer will not start. Actually, you should try to draw the figure yourself, but here I don't because I don't want to waste the time. So directly figure I'm going to show you. But when you people practice, so don't copy directly figure. First you try to draw yourself. Okay, here figure you can see. Okay, see this is the figure. 5 centimeter radius, see oq. Okay, as you can see here oq is 5 centimeter and oa, that is also radius. See oq is radius of bigger circle which is 5 and oa is radius of smaller circle which is 3. Okay, and now find the length of the chord means pq. You have to find first all data we will write down. Yes. So OQ is equal to 5 centimeter. OA is equal to 3 centimeter. And PQ you have to find. So easy now. Now it is really so easy. So 8 centimeter you will get the answer. I'm not going to solve here because as you all know how this answer will come. Okay, Dhruraj, Indrajit, what to do to get the answer? Very good. Okay, so like this only you can easily find. Okay, Indrajit, what Dhruraj has said that is correct. Okay, Dhruraj and Indrajit, three times this question. Okay, Ashish, how we can find the length of chord? Three times. Bharat, see, I'm going to write here all names. Ashish, okay? Dhruraj, Indrajit, Bharat, and nobody now will remove without my permission. If anybody will remove, then 5 times, and tomorrow he or she will not allow. Bharat, oh Bharat, how answer we can get here? Length of chord we have to find. Don't know. 3 times. Okay, Bharat. Now it is enough. Now Bharat. See, it is now recorded. So don't forget to send me homework if tomorrow's class if you people want to join. Now that is so easy. Here easily you can find. the length of code, that is your work. I will not do this kind of now easy work, it is not required. And with this question our chapter is over, because remaining all questions you will be happy that this remaining not 12th. 1 minute, let me check, because 1 minute, because yesterday I have checked. So triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle radius for such that segment BD. Okay. Finally, have you checked, Samir? 12th question we have to find. Who said 12th question we have to solve? It is in syllabus, not remove. Just somebody. Then okay, it is not pro that, but this question is a 4 to 5 mark question, because you don't know how long this question is. Every year when I solve so full one full lecture I take to solve this question. Okay, and this is 4 to 5 mark question, not 4 mark even. This is actually 5 mark question, and your almost 1.5 page will be filled. So generally from this chapter, 3 mark questions come, not 4 mark or any 5 mark question. So this question generally can એ લાગે તમે સોલ્વ કરો ને ત્યારે ખબર પડે. Here you have to find sides AB and AC. Okay, so AB and AC, you just try to solve, because if it is not exam oriented, but if you will solve, so that is good. Okay, so you just try to solve. Have you done? How much length of this question? How much length of this question? I don't remember, but you just tell me method what you have done. AC, sorry. First of all, you should give some notation here. For example, let it called T. Okay, here see, or on this point T, and on this point P. Okay, for example. So now tangents you can say na CT, PB, like that. So then here you have to, yes, you tell me. CT. Okay. Then what about AT and AP? For that we have to solve. So it is long question. In short, thing is that then Heron formula. I think so. You have to use Heron formula. Then some equations will come. That equations you have to compare, and then finally value of x you will get. So it is like this. Here x you have to assume this x. So if this is x, so this is also x, like that. So see, whatever it is, you can try. If you will try, so I will be happy. This is good for you also. But in syllabus this question is not. So we will right now we will not take this question. If afterward it is required, then afterward we will solve. Okay, then now for us this chapter is over.